Hi, this is Sandra. This is my fried yellowfin tuna that tastes just like fried chicken. This is for the pescatarians who do not eat anything but fish, but this is a great treat for you. If you're missing the fried chicken, this is your answer right here. It's crispy, it's fried just right. All you have to do is get the yellowfin tuna, well, the yellowfin tuna look just like this. And what you do is put your season, what season you want on it. Then you flour it. You just do like this, put it in the flour. Then you put in your egg batter. And then you flour it again. And then you put it in a frying pan and fry it up just like this, y'all. This is Sandra. I'll tell you happy eating, and thank you for coming to my channel. And I appreciate everyone who comes and make a comment and give me a like. I really appreciate it. This is for the ones who like fish and want that fried fish taste. I mean, not the fried fish, but the ones who like fish, you can get this tuna, this yellowfin tuna, and fry you some tuna and make it taste just like chicken, like fried chicken. I'm gonna do a little gravy with this. This right here, I'm gonna make a little gravy to go with this. This is fantastic, y'all. Okay. Thank you for coming to my channel. Hi, this is Sandra. I'm just showing these beautiful yellowfin fried tuna that looks just and tastes just like chicken. I want to bring that to your attention. And this is what the yellowfin tuna looks like. It looks like that. And what I did is batter. You know how I batter. An egg wash right here. And then batter it. And then put it in the pan. And now you got this wonderful, wonderful tuna. Tastes like chicken for those who's up vegetarians. Okay? Got too close, y'all.